If you're a Penn State student tracking the Smeal program from a campus other than University Park, this crash course is for you. There's so much you can do before your junior year to maximize your short time as a Penn State business student. Employers come to campus for career fairs and other recruitment events at the very beginning of the fall semester, which is when many large companies close their application period to fill their internships and full-time positions for the following summer. Don't wait until the beginning of junior year to get started on your career planning. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. Number 1, craft a Smeal resume. Follow the recommended format in our tips handout, as this is what gets the most positive feedback from employers. You can also schedule a virtual or an in-person appointment with the Business Career Center to get individual feedback on your resume. Tip number 2, take BA 297 Career Planning and Strategies. This optional 1-credit course walks you through career topics and exercises, offering employer insight in the lectures. It's available every fall and spring semester and can be taken online when you're still at your campus or any class here at University Park. Tip number 3, attend the Smeal career fairs and other employer events throughout your entire time at Penn State. You do not have to wait until you're enrolled at University Park. You know about fall and spring career days, but there are business-specific career fairs hosted by Smeal, as well as many other on-campus recruitment events. Tip number 4, visit with the Business Career Center when we visit your campus. The Business Career Center comes to several Penn State campuses each year. We want to meet you at our Smeal Career Prep group session, as well as one-on-one time to answer whatever career prep questions you have. Tip number 5, watch your Smeal Career Prep webinar every semester, especially if we didn't make it to your campus or if you just need a refresher. This overview will help you make sure you're staying on track. Tip number 6, meet with your campus's career office. They're happy to talk to you about any career topics such as networking, what to get involved with, and exploring career paths. They can also show you Nittany Lion Careers, which is Penn State's posting system for jobs, internships, and other opportunities. Want to stand out even more? Here are some additional suggestions. Build a strong LinkedIn profile, sign up for a Smeal alumni mentor, explore study abroad programs, request informational interviews, introduce yourself to companies throughout your entire time at Penn State, and choose meaningful involvement. Your top career resources are the Business Career Center website and Nittany Lion Careers, which is also where you can schedule an appointment with the Business Career Center. We're in 114 Business Building and can be reached at smealcareers.smeal.psu.edu. We're open year-round to help you. Looking forward to meeting you soon.